Hi, eighth grade. The rest of our time together will be focused on Algebra 1 and problem solving preparedness skills. So, looking at what we have here in front of us, this is our first problem solving problem that we will have this week. And it is just one problem. Um, Looking at where we're going with this, there will be one, maybe two problems presented to you each day this week, and it will require you to use various skills that we've learned this year. We are starting here with the volume one because that's what we just wrapped up. A couple of things. Please note that if you only submit the answer, I'm going to ask you to do it again. I need to see what you're thinking. I need to know your process. I need to kind of figure out, where you're at with this. And so you can either do that using numbers and algebra type skills, or you can verbally in paragraph form type out what it is that you are doing. So maybe it's I found the volume of the teapot and it was 17.2, and then I subtracted that from the squiggle-dee-doo. Totally made up all of those words, numbers, and situations. None of that is relevant to this. But making sure that I understand where you're coming from and where you're getting your numbers. Because that's really what problem solving is about, is being able to articulate where you're getting your information and making it to where other people understand your process. So it says, find the volume of the compound solid. Compound just means it's made up of more than one thing. Round to the nearest tenth, okay, and show all of your work. Type it in the text box below. So that's here. Okay. So looking at this, I'm not really going to give too much away, because if I think about it for you, then you're not getting anything out of it. And so in these next few days, I'm not really going to include an instructional video, because then it's just you repeating what I did. And so what you really need to be doing is thinking about, how do I solve this problem? And I feel like they're all problems that you can solve within 10 minutes. So that being said, I'm going to get off of here so that you have your time. If you are really super duper extra stuck and you have tried already, but you're really not sure where to begin, make sure that you send me an email or a Google Hangout or a comment, and I will guide you as best as I can without giving anything away. So get started, and we'll see you tomorrow.